Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving a bottle of hand sanitizer. These are like 70% alcohol, so that should be fun. Okay, this is going into the microwave. Right now, let's open her up and examine the post product with the precision pooper scooper. Now my verdict on whether or not to do this at home: contains alcohol and still not a good thing to do even if it didn't catch fire, but blew the door open, and as awesome as it was to watch, there's still that risk it could catch fire. So I say this is unsafe to do at home yourself. Leave it to the professionals like me.